ball is going to fall in here, and when the ball pushes it down, the bucket is going to come up, and then it'll fall down, causing this to come up, and then there will be something here that tips the ball in. Mechanical advantage basically is how much less work you need to put into something to make it move. Each pulley has a mechanical advantage of 1. So since there are 2 pulleys, there's a mechanical advantage of 2, which means that the amount of work needed to move these 2 is 2 times less than if we had 1 pulley.
The equation for mechanical advantage is input force divided by output force.
We had a lot of fun working on our project.
While working on our project, we often had arguments about whose idea we should use and about who would build what. We resolved these issues by trying to incorporate a little bit of everyone's idea into the design. We were able to work together efficiently to make the entrance an elevator.
Our whole group worked together to start planning our whole structure and what we were going to do for the project. We planned out how we were going to incorporate sustainability, so compost, and how we were going to structurize that, and then we also used mechanical advantage and the Pythagorean theorem and a golden spiral to incorporate math. And then we started building the exit and the entrance.
The way that the compost works is we layer green layers with brown layers, and brown layers are usually made up of like manure, animal poop, that kind of stuff. And then green layers would be considered like the fresh cuttings from the kitchen, or also like leaves and greenery from the living lab. And we'll layer those 2 things together in the bin, and then every so often you turn it. You do that over the course of 1 month, and then it eventually breaks down and turns into dirt.
When we're producing food through farming, we have to make sure that we put the nutrients back in the soil that we take out. But one way that you can put nutrients back in the soil is that we compost. Composting, the soils now maintain their level of nutrients, their nutrient level, therefore they can continue to be productive, and therefore we have a sustainable environment where we are putting back into the environment what we've taken out.